In this video, I will show you how to download emails from Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is ensure that you're signed into a Chrome profile. So you want to open a new Chrome profile and you want to sign in your Gmail account into that Chrome profile. Once that's done, I want you to open a new tab and you're going to go to takeout.google.com. Once you click on that, it's going to show you a Google Takeout form. So you're going to create a new export and you're going to deselect all of this. You're going to scroll down until you see mail and it says messages and attachments in your Gmail account in inbox format. You're going to tick this, and once you tick that, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to next step. Now on next step, you're going to choose the type of export you want. If you want to export it once, you want to export it 2 months for a year, and the type for the file type, the file size, and you're going to choose to add it to a Dropbox, OneDrive, or send you a download link. And once you click on create export, it's going to show you the export process, and it's going to either show you to cancel the export or create another export. Now that's how you download emails from Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.